The villagers whispered about Alara before she even arrived, whispers that prickled the hairs on Amelia's arms like a spider scuttling across her skin. Alara, with her eyes the color of storm clouds and a smile that could melt glaciers, had come to claim the old Blackwood Manor on the hill. Amelia, the baker's daughter, watched her from afar, a fascination blooming alongside the unease. Alara didn't visit the village much, but when she did, an unnatural stillness followed her. Birdsong ceased, the wind held its breath. She drew men in like moths to a flame, their eyes glassy with a strange adoration. Soon whispers turned to screams. Men, once vibrant and healthy, returned from Blackwood Manor hollowed out, their eyes vacant. One night, curiosity gnawed too fiercely to ignore. Amelia snuck up the overgrown path to the manor. Its windows glowed with an unnatural, sickly light. An eerie melody, like wind chimes in a storm, drifted out. Peeking through a dusty window, Amelia saw a scene straight out of a nightmare. Alara danced in the center of a grand hall, her movements fluid and hypnotic. But it wasn't her dancing that chilled Amelia. It was the men surrounding her. Their faces were pale, their bodies skeletal, yet they moved with a grotesque fervor, their eyes fixed on Alara with a terrifying devotion. As if sensing Amelia, Alara's head snapped towards the window. Their eyes met. Amelia's heart stuttered. Instead of fear, a coldness bloomed in Alara's eyes, a hunger that sent shivers down Amelia's spine. It wasn't just men Alara devoured, it was something more. Love, devotion, life itself. Then Alara smiled, a slow, knowing smile that promised a love unlike any other, a love that would consume you whole. Amelia stumbled back, the weight of the knowledge suffocating. Alara wasn't just beautiful, she was a siren song, a predator in a woman's guise. The next day, Amelia told no one. The villagers wouldn't believe her. Instead, she started baking special treats, laced with herbs rumored to ward off evil spirits. Every villager, even the men who still glanced longingly at Alara, received one, a small act of defiance against the creeping darkness that threatened to engulf their village. The melody from Blackwood Manor continued, but it was fainter now. Amelia held her breath, hoping her meager efforts would be enough. Love, she realized, could be a weapon too, a shield against the seductive whispers of evil, a flicker of hope against a rising tide of darkness. The battle had just begun.